Benefits of a cloud-based brokerage. If you are an agent, how often do you go into your brokerage building? I've heard of a lot of agents say they need a brick and mortar to communicate with their broker and other realtors. I want to show agents all the support available to them in an online world, no matter where they are located. Inside the eXp world, you receive real-time support, specialized departments, team collaboration, information sharing, daily training, and large-scale meetings. They offer no desk fees, you can work from anywhere, and they cut overhead brick and mortar costs, which means they have more money to give back to the clients for training and for revenue share. There's no expensive leases, which means the company can invest in agent support and technology. And number 5, there are paperless transactions, so everything is organized, there is no filing, and you can find anything that you want, which is a click of a button. 6, you can get instant access to training and support. If you'd like to learn more how you can be part of a company designed with agents in mind, click on the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive notifications on my next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or feel free to give me a call and send me a text at 931-436-3552. I hope to see you soon on social media or in person. Join my Facebook group at Lady Realtor Boss. Follow me on social media at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. Have a blessed day.